Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the first video of 16th module on role and functions of school counselors by grade level with reference to high school counseling. In this module, we will brush up a little about school counselors' role and functions, factors that influence educational or school counseling, national models framework for school counseling, developmental needs of high school or secondary school students, and high school or secondary school counselors' role and functions. So, the learning objectives of this video is to recognize the school counselor's role and functions, identify factors that influence educational or school counseling, apprise the national models framework for school counseling. The school guidance assess to improve teachers' relationship with students, which may be helpful in developing control over the student. The educational or school counseling part involves more than just disturbing class hours, managing punitive issues and help students in applying to university. Educational counseling focuses on school support, guidance and the causes of stress as well as an affective or relational problems that can promote the student's academic profession. An educational counselor or a school counselor uses assessments, group or individual counseling and mediation to assist students with academic, social, personal and career development. School counselors often function as part of an educational team and help coordinate efforts that support a student's academic issues. The school counselor works with many aspects. Educational counselors accredit the American School Counselor Association's Code of Ethics and contribute to continuous career growth. Educational counselors for student achievement in educational, professional, self and self-growth integrate headship, encouragement, guidance, psychotherapy, discussion, organization, cooperation and teamwork. School counselors are partakers who work collaboratively and in cooperation with students, family members, instructors and members of community in various capacities in community environment. Educational counselors assess the students in case they want to shift from one school to another and school to work or vocational and practical training programs. They completely devote themselves in assisting students to achieve their endeavors in every possible way. All students have an interdisciplinary education system that involves a school orientation program, individualized service planning, and system support. Educational counseling defines a clear and measurable result outline in the following three areas, that is education, vocation, self or social growth. This should support the growth needs of every student and respond to the question, how are students different as a result of the school counseling program? School counseling program promotes the setting that supports the student to improve their personality, comprehension, acceptance of others and their qualities, circumstances, views and skills. It allows students to be creative and create a contribution to the society. School counselors uses variety of tools to identify and cultivate the students' intellectual strengths and personal attributes for their career options. They assist students improve abstract thinking, analytical reasoning, creating choices, being introspective, and communicating effectively. Educational counseling or school counseling supports all students to improve their competence to concentrate on studies. These kinds of supports reduce the distractions. School counseling help instructors and teachers to deliver excellence education planned to assist students reach their goal. Skilled counselors identify the initial signals of the students. They collaborate with school teachers, instructors, heads, administrators, and other workers to improve and practice for the safety of the school and students, and also avoid problems in the school. The counselor assists students at school and at colleges and university. Counselors play the role of promoters of the well-being of the students for their academic progress. So now, what school counselors are expected to do? School counselors should pay attention to students and apprehensions regarding students and their education, affective or societal issues, assist students in dealing with issues and planning goals and actions, serve as a mediator in disputes between students and instructors, enhance relations between families and instructors, assist in submitting applications, employment and endowments at the college level, promote programs to prevent substance use. The counselor should be a facilitator for students to help them find the solution, make referrals to psychologists and other mental health professionals as needed, and finally collaborate with educational committees to enhance the educational outcomes of the students. The need of school counselors is they play a very important role in the academic management group and providing important support to students despite their either they serve as a primary or an intermediate school, a secondary school or elsewhere. Coming to the school counselor's role and functions, school counselors play and convey school counseling services to enhance the student results. Counselors support the moral and specialized values of the American School Counselor Association and practice the model to enhance the educational or school counseling services. They are to describe, to manage, to deliver, and to assess. To describe occupations or careers or jobs or activities that a student has to do at present and for future. School counselors develop curricula using certain principles to help them. The principles may assist school counselors in developing, practicing and evaluating their school counseling services to enhance students' performance. Let us see about managing. The school counseling services need to be administered in an efficient and effective manner in order to be delivered effectively. Counselors to manage every student, their different problems, teachers and their challenges, administrators and others at school, develop certain strategies and gear up with certain measures to direct their plan to practice and provide an efficient school counseling service. Coming to the delivering aspect, the goal is to provide developmental actions and services directly or indirectly to students. Because of the counselors communicate with many other students and issues and other school stakeholders, so delivering the expected and the planned service to each and every student is based on their needs and their importance. It assists counselors to increase the American School Counselors Association's attitudes and behaviors for students' success and improve their performance and obedience. Assess. School counselors regularly evaluate their service for students to achieve the greatest outcome. Counselors assess services to find out how effective this counseling service is, whether counseling services are designed to enhance the plan and deliverance of their academic counseling service, to find out how students differ through the process of school counseling service, and educational counselors evaluate their attitudes and behaviors to update their occupational growth and participate in the assessment of the performance of school counselor with a trained supervisor. The American School Counselor Association Their model gives the guidelines for direct evaluation of counseling services and school counselors. Now let us see about this evaluation services. The first one is counseling service. So in that it is evaluation of school counseling services. The second one is reporting yearly outcomes. Now let us see about evaluation of school counselors. In that, evaluation of school counselors' occupational values and competences. Secondly, school counselors' performance assessment model. Educational school counselors practice their skills in schools to promote students' academic achievement. Educational counselors are responsible for educational improvement, professional growth and self-development and community development of students through educational counseling services, prevention, therapy and coping mechanisms. Educational or school counselors are qualified and competent to meet the educational self, community and career development needs of the student. Educational counselors are important members of the educational team. Counselors should collaborate with teachers, administrators and families to support all students achieve educational success both professionally and personally. School counselors' role and function is based on how they spend their time with students through the activities of individual counseling, guidance activities, consultation and group counseling. Paperwork, planning and administration are regarded as important time thieves for school counselors. The educational or school counselors organizes a number of activities for high school students, and they are psychotherapy, organize and lead counseling group, school and group orientation events, administering and interpreting tests in a standardized manner, evaluate the needs to identify priority of the target group, therapy session, provide vocational counseling and education, provide counseling service and education which includes endowment, university appointments, students planning, preventive scheduling and delivery actions, developmental activities for students, administrative actions for students. In school setting, the diversity may explain certain differences in how counselors perform their roles. However, there are factors that affect the role and function of counselors in any school setting. They are, the first one is the occupational factors. It indicates whether the role of counselor is suitable or not. It includes guiding principles and mission announcements from specialized institutions, certification limits, certification guiding principles, needs and the expectation of specialized education services. The second one is self-determinance. It involves counselor's attention like what the person wants to do. How can the counselor reinforce himself for an effective performance? Does the counselor have the necessary means to fulfill his or her own needs? Does the counselor perceive the proper role and function in a particular context? Lastly, how do they conduct their overall life with the counseling profession? So the principles, thoughts and knowledge of school counselors at work and outside of work may influence how they perceive their counseling job. In the next video, we will briefly see the developmental needs of secondary or high school students. Thank you.